Great. Well, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy also to be a co-sponsor. The Lemelson Foundation is a co-sponsor of the meeting, and I have to say from a sponsor's point of view, and Alex can probably comment on this too, I think it's been a tremendous success. I judge the success of this meeting maybe less by what we're saying here on the panels, but what I see happening out there in the hallways, and it's been vigorous and really engaging. So I think that's terrific. And it's the kind of engagement that we want to see through networks and through interactions to actually build what is the rainforest or the ecosystem that's important here. Lemelson Foundation, just a couple of words to say that our focus is on improving lives through invention, and that's why we are here today, which is we actually believe that by inspiring and nurturing inventors and invention-based enterprises, you can actually create solutions that will change the world. And we believe in the developing countries, actually, those invention-based enterprises can create the products that both transform and address human needs, but also create businesses that actually increase income for those living in the countries and improve their lives. So two forms of doing that. I think it's been a great meeting. I think we've touched on a lot of things about how we actually seed the seeds of entrepreneurship and inspire people to actually go forward as entrepreneurs and actually create the companies and take them forward. If I were to comment on a couple things, I think where we maybe didn't touch deeply enough, although this morning's discussions were a bit more in that vein than previously is, you know, to actually be successful in creating an entrepreneurship that's going to address these problems, you have to start with the customer. And I think really today, we only touched on that in the design discussion and maybe a bit in the last discussion, only briefly yesterday, and I don't want people to lose sight of that. It's all about the people we're working with in partnership who have the